Hello.
Hi.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
I know you already.
The airport with that shoes on. I see hair coming off.
I cannot see you.
Hello.
Hi.
Good to see you.
Hi. Oh. Who's that? No. Don't. Don't.
I crashed your vacation. Hello.
Oh, thank
You can do it, child.
The more you look at it, the harder it is.
You do not have to.
But you should. Just turn away.
Oh,
She
there she
goes.
goes.
Woo!
Yeah.
That was so easy.
Right?
Dude, that was so easy.
The problem is it looks easy, but I miffed it, and that's the way it's gonna stay. We drifted so far away I cannot say. I miss you, rather that would leave my brain. I tricked you, things won't ever be the same again.
The next stop is 86th Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
I kiss you like I kissed a friend. I risked you, something seemed to never end. I'd like to notice time, for now the clock forgets to chime. I start to see the end. Goodbye, friend.
I will keep breaking cups until my left hand looks wrong, until my miracle drugs write the miracle song. I will keep rolling down until my best shirt rolls off, until the conga line behind me is 1,000 chickens long. Like Brian Jones, I was born to swim towards a month ago, towards the Rolling Stones, towards me and you, swimming along.
And a text exchange a few days later. But. So,
Picture break.
Sorry, guys.
Oh, for that, okay.
Absolutely.
I know.